Start a fight, we'll be on the news.
You will, yeah.
Oh. I can see the headlines now. Yard sale turns bloody.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Once you get the desk out, we can put whatever dishes we have.
Heelys, these bring back some memories.
Not really. Oh yeah, one memory.
No?
We put the wheels on and took a spill and said, okay, I don't want them. The clothes are less than marked for $1. They're less marked. Some of them are new. Put it right there in front of the van. That's fine. Right there. Turn it so that it.
I was trying to do that instead of walking through.
Okay, Leah, we're not starting that this early. No. Put the platter over there.
Both of them? Oh, should we take the
I
other
would
one
take the
out?
one platter out. There you go, two. And then that should be marked as probably two. Ava, what did you mark this as? Six.
Got some boots.
Thank you.
Did you guys actually play that lightning reaction game?
Yeah.
It's horrible. It's the worst thing I've ever bought.
It's awful. It's actually we have it around here more as a joke.
Yeah.
Because we have exchange students.
Okay.
So when they get here, the kids are all like, "I want to play a
Let's
game."
torture them,
It's
yeah.
horrible. The game is horrible.
The worst game I've ever bought.
It is. It's the worst game I've ever played too.
It's this one right here. Basically, it electrocutes you. Lightning reaction. I returned it. $5. Two cars. $10, $15, $16, $17, $19, $22. Would you do 30 on this pile?
Let's see what the heck 30 is. Yeah, 30 it is.
Cool.
This is my son's, so he'll be happy to have sold that.
The shoes or the on key?
Well, both those are his.
Yeah, okay.
So he will have made out today. I appreciate you.
Alright, thank you guys.
Yeah.
Man. Yes, man.
That's yours? Yeah. Can I look at it? Sorry. That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Looks fun.
Bring me this. I gotta figure out. What is it?
Morning.
Good.
Good. Oh, that's cool. Both these.
you want to do all the cars?
How many are there?
Okay.
Hello.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
That was.
$20. Yes.
Mini Mickey. How's it going? Buzz Potato Head. Do these little dragon things have a rider or?
No.
Okay, they're cool. They're from How to Train Your Dragon, right?
Mm-hmm.
How much are these toys?
Should be the one that.
She's on that.
How much do you want to sell the toys?
The dragons.
The dragons, $3 a piece.
With dinos?
No, dollar. Not another dollar.
1, 2, 4, 5. It's too early for math. 7, $8 for all of it.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
put it aside. Okay. She might not water somewhere.
Okay.
You guys selling any video games?
No, I don't.
No, I don't have any video.
No. Okay. Tempted by these guys.
We can do them all for $6.
6.
Yeah.
Okay.
I heard about it.
Okay. I'll do it. Thanks.
Yeah.
You said 6 for all of them? For all 4? Ooh, how much is your Play-Doh?
Oh. The whole set. I have like a whole. I have 2 whole things of Play. I don't know where it is. Oh, these. Yeah.
Yeah, those.
$1 for the Play-Doh.
I don't know what would probably kill me. Kids make such a mess with it.
Oh, that one. It pieces.
Okay.
Off on here. Doesn't
Okay.
stay on very well.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
This little clip here is not working anymore.
Yeah, I can. Looks like some glue maybe. Okay.
Talk about the one.
Yep.
This?
Yeah. Yeah. He's got a bag.
How much is this?
What was that? $5 for that.
$5. It still works?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
only been used like 2 or 3 times.
I do have that top.
Is that more sales stuff or no?
Right here, yeah, this stuff is.
Oh,
This is on my wife's wheelhouse.
portable color TV. That's fun.
Yeah. My dad passed away a couple months ago, and he had.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, thank you, sorry. Appreciate it.
Gorham.
Hi, cutie.
Shipping a bottle.
Yes.
It's cool. How much for this little TV? It's his dad's. I don't know. Probably wait for him to come back out.
Oh, yeah.
I can wait. So 5 and 2 is 7. Do you have any singles there? Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yep. It's bow time already?
It is, bow time already.
Hold on.
Bow time.
It's always bow time.
Yeah. That's cool.
Man, he's got a body camera. I don't know about this.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for me. Pizza cutter.
We'll start a fight, we'll be on the news.
You will, yeah.
Oh. I can see the headlines now. Yard sale turns bloody.
And then
Footage.
and then everyone eats bow time.
And then everybody shares the burger.
Yeah.
Huh. How come you don't use that one? That's cute.
That's
I got
a cool
it for
bookshelf.
you, but you said it didn't work at your house, and I didn't use it here.
Sun's bright right there.
No, step.
No, I turned around and looked straight up and looked right into the sun.
But everybody said it's still good.
Do they keep the same workers or do they get new workers?
I think a lot of the same workers.
I don't really. I didn't go to that.
What's MM mean?
Sir?
M&M's?
That's us.
Oh, it's your name. I gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah.
I was like, what is that one?
This is red.
Gotcha. Shark Tank the game.
Uh,
M&M.
I think they're the same, but I mean, you know, I mean,
I don't want that.
That's never been opened.
I know, I see. It's very tempting.
That came free with our solar panels.
Really?
And we already had a digital
Okay.
thermostat and it was square.
Uh-huh.
And you see that one's round.
Yes.
Hence why I never put it on the wall.
Yeah. What was that, Apollo 13, the movie where they had to fit the square into the round?
Right, that's right.
Well, I suggest you gentlemen invent a way to put a square peg in a round hole rapidly.
That's right.
What is this here?
That's just a cooler for a
AMD
computer.
cooler, yeah. Oh, these are useful. That's the old cord style.
What, bub?
Is that
$2.
What and what?
the keyboard and
They're separate.
and that
Oh,
go
Wii
together?
controller. A random item here.
The
Do you
one-
have the Wii?
The Wii's broken.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that
We have
happens.
the Wii. Babe, where's that Wii? The strip that can see what you're doing. It can
Oh, the
recognize
light bar or
controller.
whatever, yeah.
We have that too somewhere. I don't know where it went.
No, I saw it. Where did I put it?
I don't know. I just saw the nunchuck. I didn't see the other stuff with it. So.
The nunchuck in the
What's this?
case. I don't know, to be honest with you, Daddy.
You do throw in the keyboard for free if I buy these two?
Sure.
Cool. Always use an extra keyboard. $25.
Yep.
Let's see if I have a 5 or do you have 5 back?
Can I get 5 back?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Let's try. Oh yeah, cool. Thanks, man.
All right,
Enjoy.
$7.50 to the old lady. I'm joking.
Have a good day, sir.
You too. I gotta look up here real quick,
Okay.
but I will head out in a minute.
I wasn't trying to push you there.
No, I'm going.
Please stay. Please stay. Take it off.
I know, right?
Cobble Hill.
It's like a bowberry for $2.
you should resell bow time. People often will resell like cookies at their yard sales, so you should start selling Bojangles.
I never thought about doing that.
Yeah, they like buy a little pack for the kids at Costco. Let the kids sell them for $1 a piece, and people feel bad and they
interesting.
buy the cookies.
I
And
never thought about that.
I've done it at mine. My daughter's like a cookie slinger, so she gets them all sold in like 5 minutes.
It's the old South Park model.
Yeah, exactly.
More people come if there's punch and pie.
Yeah, exactly. What is this?
Oh, now I want pie.
Shoe Fresh. I think I'm good, actually.
I already got bags.
I'm alright. I'm super strong. Alright. Thanks, guys. You too. Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. Some really early morning ones and pretty good finds, I think. Some of them weren't that good. So some of the toys I got, not great. Those little dinosaurs. I mean, I think I bulked the green and orange dinosaur as like a little lot for 15 bucks on eBay, based on the orange one having like a $15 value, and I just threw in the green one hoping it'll sell quick. And then I got that Anki Overdrive, but it smelled really weird. I don't understand how, but it came with like a big mat that you like lay down on the floor. And when we opened up that mat out on the front driveway, the whole driveway, I mean, we're outdoors, but the whole driveway started to smell. So I don't know what they've been using that for, but it went in the trash, and the cars didn't work. So that was a waste of a decent amount of money I paid for that thing. The Heelys I listed based on comps. You know, the adult Heelys can go for like 40 to 60. They weren't in the best condition, so I listed like high 30s, I think. And I expect those to sell. You have that Guitar Hero, which is over here. That is listed. Listed that for like 35 because I had the box and everything included. And then I actually didn't have the game, but I had a Guitar Hero Rock the 80s that I hadn't sold yet. So I unlisted that and bulked it with that so that, you know, someone could get a game and a guitar. So hopefully that moves. And then the best find was for sure the Nest. That sold the day I listed it for $169. So that paid for all the buys easy and gave me some profit. I just listed that keyboard today that I got there. I think it's like a $12, $13 comp. Nothing great, plus shipping. So, and then that router was terrible, a G router, but listed it for 10 bucks because there are some sold. So just that one last sale, you know, is about 200 bucks. And then those first sales, you know, it's bits and pieces, but that stuff will all sell. I got that little TV, like the new in the box, his dad's little TV. That looks like it sells for 15 to 20 bucks with the box. I'm kind of scrubbing through the video just to kind of see what else I got there. A couple video games that I listed, 5 to 10 bucks a piece. I think Sims was in there. Oh, those big long How to Train Your Dragons were not great. They're like supposed to be fire breathing, but neither worked. They both were busted. I'd already bought them and then realized they were busted, so those were just a bad buy, but it was kind of too late by the time I was leaving, so those weren't that good. But anyways, made some money, had some fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. If you want to see what everything sells for, check out the NC Flipper channel. That's my second channel where I talk about what's sold on eBay. Thanks, guys. See you later.